Here we go. Got a box here. Some film. Got a digital back and a little diurnal. So angle this up. There we go. That's nice. That's better. Alright, let's open this first. It seems to already be okay. Whoa! Lens cap, I guess. Frame things that we don't even need. Oh, it's so light. Plastic, fantastic. Don't need any of this stuff. Oh, color filters. Ooh, a book. Nice. There's a book here. Digital back. This is blocking my light. Kinda. How does one go about opening this? Oop, already tore it. I don't want to break it. I'm going to try to install this without looking at the instructions, so hopefully nothing goes wrong. Lock and unlock. Yeah, right on. Oh, there's the little roll thing. Somewhere there are little clips. One. Bam. This slides into place. I'll get the strap out of the way. Oh, wait, gotta put this lens corrector thing in. Like so. I don't recommend this. I recommend reading the instructions if you purchase this yourself. Don't do what I do. Huh. Okay, that's it. Oh, doesn't want to stand up. I'm gonna go get the batteries. Batteries. I do not know where they go in. Let's find out, shall we? Let's see. Perhaps over here. 1, 2. It is functioning. Next step, putting in film. Grab one of these. Tear it open. Okie doke, tearing it open. I think that's it. I think it's as simple as that. Close the mofo. turn it on, spit the whatever you call it out, and it's ready for its first picture. So let's go take the mofo, and I will post it at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See ya.